Welcome to the fifth assignment. Today we will stay with worries for a little bit longer. That is the true nature of worries, huh? They just don't go away, but linger for a little bit longer than we would like to. So let's give them the stage. In this assignment, we will draw the worries. You can draw them abstract or concrete, like really drawing the people, the equipment, the places. What I would like you to do is that the bigger worries take a larger space on the piece of paper, and the smaller worries take a smaller space. So you can sense your body right now, sense your mind right now, and just ask yourself, what am I worried about? Or you can look at the list of your worries that you wrote down from the previous exercise, read through them, and then start drawing. It's totally up to you. If you decide to go with the first one, you will maybe see the difference between the worries in the previous assignment and today's assignment, and you could check if something changes or if one worry is super strong and persistent. Okay, before you start your exercise, you can read through the worries or ask yourself, what am I worried about? You really try to sense them, and then you open your eyes and start drawing. After you finish, you do the body scan, naming the emotions, and breathing exercise. And we see each other in the sixth assignment. Have a great day.